Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, welcome. So today we're doing another client tutorial. So first I'm just applying some loose translucent powder to her brows to soak up any oils that may be present, and then I'm going in and I'm filling in her brow. Now for the brows, I do like to outline the brow first and then I like to fill it in. That's just what works for me, but do what works for you. Also with the powder, I find it very useful to use the powder just because the pencil sticks a lot better when you soak up all the oils. So I feel like the powder is definitely a mandatory step. Now I do have a quick tip. Now this is what I do. I do like to extend the brow out to the inner corner of the nose as well. I just think that it looks good with my look. So if it works for you, it works for you. If it doesn't, that is totally fine, but that's what I do for my looks. So now I'm color matching her concealer. So I do like to color match to the forehead when I'm choosing the concealer that I would like to use for the brows and for the lid and also for the face as well. So I just do that and then I go in with the one that I chose. I did take a picture of all the products that I used. So all of the products will be in the description box below, so don't worry. But I went ahead and chose a concealer that I wanted to use and I just started shaping her brows. And another quick tip, when I begin shaping the brows, if I feel like I have too much product on my brush, I just apply that excess product to the lid because I'm going to be applying product there anyway. So don't waste product. If you feel like you have too much, just put it on the lid. Don't put it on a paper towel or don't rub it off on something else. Just put it on the lid because you're going to use it anyway. So the eyeshadow look that we will be doing today is an imitation cut crease. Now in my words, an imitation cut crease is basically something that looks like a cut crease but isn't as sharp as a cut crease. So I'm going in with this purplish mauve tone eyeshadow and I'm just making sure that I apply it and then blend it out to my liking. I then went on top of that color with a deeper mauve just to create some more definition. So for the imitation cut crease, you are going to need concealer to apply to the lid over the eyeshadow that you blended out already. And you're basically applying it as if you're doing a cut crease, but then you're going to blend it out with a fluffy brush. Typically, you do not go over the sharp line of the cut crease when you do a cut crease, but in this case you can because you don't want it to be too sharp. You want that airbrush kind of look, if that makes sense. And I did go ahead and apply a very light beige eyeshadow to the lid. And then in the inner corner, I'm going in with a white. I love using white eyeshadow in the inner corner. I just feel like it opens up the eyes and it just makes the eyes pop 10 times more. And for the outer corner, I'm just going in with a deeper dark brown shade just to deepen it up just a little bit, just to give it a little smoky effect. Now I'm actually going in with a shimmer, and I'm just applying that all over her lid. And y'all, using shimmers really does set the look off. Like, I love shimmers so much. Now I'm just going in with a black liquid liner, and I'm just lining her upper lash line. I'm not doing anything too thick, and I'm not doing a wing either. Now it's time for skin prep. So what I'm doing now is wiping her face down with a makeup remover wipe just to get any fallout out, and also to remove some of that concealer around the brows, just a little bit, nothing too major. And then I'm going in with a moisturizer first, and then I'm going in with a primer on top of that. Now I'm color matching her foundation, and I'm actually color matching to her neck. I don't specifically choose a shade that matches her neck perfectly, just because sometimes in other cases there's discoloration and things of that sort, so you always can't rely on the neck. So I do like to apply to the neck and then step back and analyze, okay, well, this is what the face looks like, this is what the neck looks like. If they have on attire that shows their chest, this is what the chest look like, and arms, and all of that. So just use your best judgment when it comes to color matching. And if it takes you 10 times to color match, it takes you 10 times to color match, because sometimes it takes me 10 times to color match. I love, 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 love taking my time on color matching. Brows and color matching are going to make and break your look, so make sure you take the most time on both of those. So I went ahead and applied the foundation to her entire face, and then I'm going in and I'm applying the concealer for her highlight. I do like to blend the edges of the concealer out first, so that I can let the inside of the concealer sit for a little bit to get more of a full coverage. So after I'm done blending the edges out, I do like to go inside the concealer and blend that out. Now I'm going in and I'm contouring her face slash bronzing her face. I only use powder when I contour slash bronze, just because I like the softness that it creates. It's nothing too hard. And also, when I use a cream or a liquid and then have to go in with the powder, it just takes up too much time. And I'm just like, it's really unnecessary when it comes to like me having to do like back-to-back clients. So all I do is use a bronze powder or contour powder, and I go in with a fluffy brush and I put it on. That's all I do. So I do like to do the forehead just a little bit. And then I also like to do the cheekbones as well. And then depending on the look that I'm doing, I'm going to do the nose like I'm doing here. So it's nothing really too intricate or anything. One tip that I can give you for the cheekbones is to follow the tragus of the ear and go down, stop at the arch of the brow, and don't go below the mouth. Those are like the 3 main points that you need to remember: the tragus, the arch of the brow, and the mouth. I also went ahead and applied powder to the highlighted areas, just a translucent powder. I probably used a color. If I did, I will put the color in the description box. But then I also carved out underneath her contour to let that sit and marinate for a little while I'm applying her lash glue. So now we are applying her strip lashes. Y'all, these strip lashes, they are so cute. So cute. And it's from my vendor, and I'm gonna have to order some more because these really set the look off. Like, they are stunning. So now I'm actually going in with the lower lash liner, and I am just lining her waterline with a gel liner. For the lip, if you didn't guess it, I'm doing a dark liner with a nude in the middle combo with a gloss on top. My absolute favorite. My absolute favorite. I just love the way that it looks because I feel like when you're doing a bold eye, it kind of looks like too much when I put like a colored lip on or anything like that. So it's just my preference. I love doing like the nude lips. I feel like it goes with anything. It can go with any outfit, any look, anything. So that's why I love doing nude lips. So now I'm just going in with a blush, and I'm applying that with the same brush that I used for her bronzer slash contour, and I'm just applying it to her cheeks. Now I'm applying her highlight. I'm only applying it to the tip of her nose and the bridge of her nose. I'm not doing the cheeks or anything. I kind of stopped doing that for all looks. I only do it when I feel like it's going to, set the look off. And for this look, I kind of wanted the highlight to be a little subtle. And to finish it off, we're just going to spray her face down with setting spray. And now we're going to go in and take her pictures and videos. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And that is it. That is all. And we are out.